Hey guys, welcome to the first episode of Fishing Films. Today we're going to talk about some summertime bass tactics. My name's Landon, that's Zach, and that's Caden.
Hey guys, what we're doing now is we're doing a little fishing, and these fish are stacked up moving in schools on these brush piles out deeper in the deeper water, and this specific body of water has some really nice fish in it. There's been two bass caught over 10 pounds out of this pond, and those fish, summertime, the water's heating up, they like to slow down and they get a little finicky sometimes, so just be aware of that if you're going to go out. Oh, Zach's got a fish. This smaller fish, about 1.5 pounds, 2 pounds, but nonetheless, it's fish.
So how are you working that bait, Zach?
Slow, kind of popping it up and down.
So anyways, like I was saying before, Zach caught that fish. You just gotta be aware of that whenever you go out summertime bass fishing. Those fish can be either really good or they can be really slow. So whenever they're slow, you gotta slow down and just pick them apart. So you have a good day at summertime. And what I'm throwing now is a Texas rigged brush hog, baby brush hog, excuse me, in the root beer pepper flake, green flake color, with a 1/4 ounce tungsten weight green pumpkin made by Woo Tungsten Weights. There's some great weights, guys. And right now we are all throwing Texas rig. I'm throwing the same Texas rig, same everything. Caden's throwing a little bit lighter Texas rig. He's throwing an 1/8 ounce weight with a watermelon seed Senko with the cream belly. Hey guys, now let me talk to you real quick about this rod. It's a Quantum X36 Performance Series rod. They discontinued it a couple years ago, but it's a great rod. Quantum makes great products. This is a medium action rod. It's 6 foot long, I believe. It's a great spinning rod, but Quantum has a lot of new spinning combos out. You guys should go check them out. They're great products. Hey guys, just caught another fish. I was throwing that root beer brush hog out there in that brush pile. Caught it. It was a little bit better fish. Hooked him in the tongue, the back of the tongue. He's about a 2.5 pounder. He swam off fine. He's a good looking fish. In case you're wondering, these are the people that own the pond. We thank them for letting us come over and fish their pond. And they were just coming over to see what was going on, to see how good the fish look coming out of this pond, which they're great. They're healthy, good looking fish.
Yeah. Got him in the tongue, back in the tongue. Yeah, it got him in the back of the tongue. It didn't go in his throat. Wait, leave right there. Bro, that's an eye.
Sometimes moving baits can work great in the summertime. Sometimes you can have a tournament, throwing them out in deep water, and you can have a 25-pound bag. And but that just wasn't the case today. We only had that one fish in our moving baits, and we didn't even get it to the bank.
Probably weighed 3. No, he wasn't 3 now. He's probably 3.
Still throwing at that deep water spot, and oop, Caden just got another fish. Let's see how good it is. Looks like a little bit better fish. Let's see though. One's almost got it to the bank. Yep, he's got it. Oh, maybe it in a better fish. That's about a 2-pounder. Still a good fish though. Good pot fish. Fishing. Oh, Zach's got a fish. Looks like a little bit better fish. Oh yeah, it is. Oh yeah, yeah, he's got it. Let's go take a look at it. Oh yeah, it's about a 3-pounder. It's about a 3-pounder, yep.
Hey, keep it turned that way then. Probably 3, but he killed.
Dang. Won't break his jaw.
Well, he won't stop bumping. Alright, you better get ready.
Oh, this fish is acting a little funny. Zach hooked him a little bit deep, but we got the hook out no problem. But he's still getting ready, getting acclimated back in the water, getting his oxygen going. Just getting a little bit better looking. This fish swims off just fine, guys. If you ever hook him in the throat, go right through the gill. Cut the line and go through the gill plate. It's the best way to save the fish's life. Always. And there he goes. Back off, just keep eating.
Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to our first video of Fishing Films. I hope you enjoyed the content, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thanks guys.